morning children. Welcome to Elga online class. Today we are going to cover Elga 4 day 3 of unit 2. Okay. Today we are going to cover Elga 4 day 3 of unit 2. Okay, yeah children. Before we are going to start the class, Elga means what? Anybody say the answer? Elga means what? Elga means English, language and general awareness. Okay. Yeah, in Elga, how many parts? Say the answer. Very good. In Elga, there are 5 components. In Elga, there are 5 components. What is the first one component? Phonics. Okay. Second one component, whole words. The third one component, what? Say the answer. Reading comprehension. Okay. Next, the fourth one component is grammar. Next, the fifth one, writing expression. Okay. Yeah, children, in today's class, we are going to cover the first section, phonics. In phonics, we will learn un-word family. Today we are going to learn un-word family. Okay. Yeah, children, listen. Look at the board. Un-word family. Un-word family. Okay. Yeah, what is the name of the letter? U. Okay. Next, N. U and N. Okay. What is the sound of the letter? Next letter, un-word family. Today we are going to cover un-word family. Okay. Listen. Now we will read some words. Okay. First word, sun. Sun. Today the word make 3 sounds. How many sounds? The sun. The word makes 3 sounds. What are the 3 sounds, children? What are the 3 sounds? Very good. First one, the beginning sound. Okay. Next, the middle sound. Next, the another one, ending sound. Okay. What is the first one sound? Beginning sound. Beginning sound means what? Starting sound. Okay. Next, the middle sound. Next, ending sound. Okay. Yeah, children, now, sun. What is the beginning sound? Next, next, okay. Children, now we will read all together. Okay, all the words together. Read the word sun. Sun. Okay. Once again, sun. Once again, children, listen. What is the beginning sound? In. Sun. In. Sun. Okay. The next word, fun. Fun. What is the beginning sound? Next, fun. Fun. Next, run. Run. What is the beginning sound? Next, what is the middle sound? What is the ending sound? Run. Now the word name, run. Next, the another one word, bun. Bun. What is the beginning sound? B. Next, middle sound, ending sound, bun. Next, none. None. What is the beginning sound, children? Middle sound, ending sound, none. Next, the last word, pun. 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 Okay, children, once again I will read the words. Elga reader book, English worksheet and pencil. Okay, yeah children, now all of you take your Elga reader book. Take soon children. Take soon. Yeah children, take your Elga reader book, page number 33. Yeah children, I will give the time for you 5 seconds. Take your Elga reader book, page number 33. Yeah children, take soon. Take your pencil also. Okay, yeah children, your time start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, very good. Awesome. Yeah children, now I will read the words for you. Yeah children, look at the slide. Yeah children, look at all the pictures. Yeah, can you able to read the words? Say the picture name. Yeah, very good. Yeah children, listen. Now I will read the all words. Okay, yeah children, please repeat after with me. What is the first word? Look at the picture and say the one name. Yeah, very good. First one, sun. Sun. Yeah children, I want to make the letter sound. Sun. Okay, the next one, fun. 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 The another word, run. Yeah children, look at the picture. The boy is running. Yeah children, listen. Run. Run. Okay. Next, look at the last one picture. What is the word? Yeah, very good. Bun. Yeah, it is very colorful. Okay. Yeah children, do you like a bun? Yeah, very good. I also. Bun. Bun. Okay, yeah children, come to the next line. None. 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 The last word, pun. 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 Okay, very good children. Next, we will read the sentence. Okay, yeah children, finger on your book or look at the slide. Read these sentences. Okay, yeah children, now I will read the first sentence for you. The sun looks like a bun. Yeah children, please repeat after with me. I will read the first sentence. The sun looks like a bun. Yeah children, in this sentence, what are the phonics word? Yeah, find the answer to me. How many phonics word in this sentence? Yeah, very good. There are 2 phonics words. What are the 2 phonics words? Sun and bun. Okay, sun and bun. Yeah children, remaining words are called whole words. Remaining words are called whole words. Okay, next. Yeah, come to the second sentence. This is so much fun. Yeah children, please repeat after with me. Open your mouth. This is so much fun. Yeah, in this sentence, how many phonics word? Yeah, very good. Fun. Okay, yeah, in this sentence, fun, only phonics word. Yeah, remaining words are called whole words. Very good. Yeah, next, come to the third sentence. I run in the sun. I run in the sun. Okay, yeah, in this sentence there are 2 phonics words. How many phonics words? 2 phonics words. Yeah, children, say the phonics word. Yeah, very good. Run and sun. Run and sun. Okay, other words are called whole words. Okay, very good children. Next, come to the fourth sentence. I use a pun for fun. Okay, once again, I use a pun for fun. Okay, yeah, in the sentence, two phonics words. Okay, pun and fun. Okay, other words are called whole words. Next, fifth sentence. The bug. The bug flies in the sun. The bug flies in the sun. How many phonics words in this sentence? Very good. There are two phonics words. What are the two phonics words? Say the name please. Very good. Yeah, awesome. Listen. Bug and sun. Bug and sun. Yeah, children, very good. Next. Yeah, students, take your student reader book, page number 34. Okay. Yeah, children, now see the slide. Next slide. Yeah, children, now we are going to learn next bird family at bird family. Okay, next we are going to cover at bird family. Okay, yeah, students, once again repeat with me. At bird family. Okay, yeah, children, look at the pictures. Yeah, anybody say the picture's name? Very good. Yeah, children, first one, nut. Next, another one picture, cut. Next one, hut. The last one, gut. Okay, yeah, children, listen. There are 6 words here. How many words? There are 6 words in this picture. Okay. Now, we will read the words. Okay, children, please repeat after with me. First one. Look at the first one picture. What is this? Yeah, very good. Nut. Nut. Yeah, the word make how many sounds? 3 sounds. Very good. Yeah, children, what is the beginning sound? Next, middle sound. The ending sound. Ta. Okay, yeah, children, now the word is nut. Nut. Okay. Yeah, look at the next one picture. Cut. Cut. Ka. Ta. Cut. Ka. Ta. Cut. Next, look at the another one picture. Hut. Hut means what? Kudisa veedu, koora veedu. Okay. Hut. Ta. Hut. Ta. Hut. Okay. Yeah, look at the last one picture. Gut. Gut. Ta. Gut. Okay. The next one word, but. But. Ta. But. Okay. The last word is rut. Rut. Read the word. Ta. Rut. Okay, yeah, children, once again I will repeat the words for you. Nut. Cut. Hut. Gut. But. Rut. Okay, next let us learn read the sentence. Okay, first one sentence. Yeah, nut is in my hut. Children, once again repeat after with me. A nut is in my hut. Yeah, children, in this sentence, what are the phonics words? How many phonics words in this sentence? Very good. There are 2 phonics words. Tell the name. Yeah, very good. Nut and hut. Nut and hut. Okay, yeah, children, next come to the second sentence. I can draw a hut. Read the sentence once again. I can draw a hut. Yeah, in this sentence, how many phonics words? Quickly say the answer. Yeah, very good. Only one phonic word. Hut. Hut. Okay, next come to the third sentence. I can feel my gut. I can feel my gut. Yeah, in this sentence, gut is a phonics word. Okay. Next, go to the fourth sentence. I cut clothes but not trees. I cut clothes but not trees. Yeah, in this sentence, what are the phonics words? Cut and but. Cut and but. Very good. Next, fifth one sentence. Can you cut the nut? Can you cut the nut? Okay, yeah, children, in the last sentence there are two phonics words. What are the two phonics words? Cut and nut. Okay, yeah, remaining words are called whole words. Okay, yeah, children, very good. Awesome. Next, we are going to cover the whole word section. Okay, the phonics section is over. Okay, next we are going to cover the whole word section. Okay. The children, now look at the board. Yeah, in the whole word section, we are going to learn 5 words. Okay, 5 whole words. The children, listen. First whole word, under. Under. The next word is without. Without. The next word is anywhere. Anywhere. The another one word is different. Different. The next word is learning. Learning. Yeah, children, once again I will repeat. Children, please repeat after with me. Okay. Whole words. The first word is under. Under. The next word without. Without. The another word is anywhere. Anywhere. The next word is different. Different. The last word is learning. Learning. Yeah, children, what is the meaning of whole words? Anybody say? What is the meaning of whole words? Yeah, very good. Whole words means we do not use the letter sounds. Whole words means we do not use the letter sounds. Okay, this is called whole words. Yeah, children, now we will see some examples. See the slide, children. She saw a school under the bridge. Yeah, children, read the sentence properly. She saw a school under the bridge. Yeah, in this sentence, what is the whole word? Yeah, very good. Under. Under is a whole word. Next. Yeah, children, look at the next slide. We saw schools without a classroom. Yeah, children, please read the sentence once again. We saw schools without a classroom. Yeah, in this sentence, what is the whole word? Very good. Without. Without is a whole word. Okay, next, yeah, children, see the next slide. We saw that we can study anywhere. Read the sentence once again. We saw that we can study anywhere. Yeah, in this sentence, anywhere is a whole word. Anywhere is a whole word. Yeah, very good. Next. Yeah, children, see the next slide. We saw pictures of different schools. Yeah, in this sentence, different is a whole word. Next. We saw children learning from the walls. Read the sentence once again. We saw children learning from the walls. Yeah, in this sentence, learning is a whole word. Okay, children? Very good. Yeah, children, listen. Your whole word section over. Next, we are going to cover reading and listening comprehension. Okay? Yes, students, all of you take one Elga reader book, take soon. Page number 35. Children, please take your Elga reader book, page number 35. Okay, yeah, children, now let us learn schools in India. Okay, yeah, in the reading and listening comprehension, we are going to cover schools in India. Okay, yeah, children, look at the slide. See the pictures. What do you think? Yeah, children, listen. Yeah, in the story, the author name is Sakshi Bhatia. What is the name of this author? Sakshi Bhatia. Next, illustrations. Krikdeep Penha. Krikdeep Penha. Yeah, children, look at the picture. What do you think? Yeah, what can you see in this picture? Yeah, very good. Yeah, children, listen. Yes, I can see the picture. Yeah, children, listen. There are some children sitting in the classroom. Okay, the teacher shows some pictures. Okay. Yeah, children, now let us read the sentence. Okay. Okay, yeah, read the sentence. We saw many pictures today. We saw different schools. Okay, yeah, children, read the sentence once again for you. We saw many pictures today. We saw different schools. Okay, next. Yeah, children, next, move on the next slide. See the picture. Yeah, children, next, page number 36. Okay, turn the next page, page number 36. Yeah, children, in this slide, what can you see in this picture? In this slide? Yeah, very good. Yeah, children, listen. Yeah, one teacher is teach well. The other children are listening. Children are listening. Okay, yeah, now read the sentence. We saw a school on a train platform. Okay, yeah, children, where is the school is located? Yeah, very good. Train platform. Train platform. Read the sentence once again. We saw a school on a train platform. Okay, next. We saw children dancing and singing there. Yeah, children, look at the picture. There are two children come front and one boy is dancing, another one girl is singing. Okay, other children are listen. Yeah, children, listen. In this picture, what is the meaning of children? Children means what? Yeah, children means more than one girl or one boy, that we can use the word children. Okay, அதாவது என்னது, ஒரு பையன் ஒரு பொண்ணு ரெண்டு பேத்துக்கு மேலே என்னது, ஒரு பொண்ணுக்கு மேலே இல்லாட்டி ஒரு பையனுக்கு மேலே. ஓகே, நிறைய பேர் சேர்ந்து டுகெதர், பாய்ஸ் அண்ட் கேர்ள்ஸ் ஆர் ஜாயினிங் டுகெதர், எல்லாரும் சேர்ந்து நிறைய குழந்தைங்க இருந்தோம்னா நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? சில்ட்ரன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். ஒரே ஒரு பாய் இருந்தால் நம்ம சொல்லுவோமா சில்ட்ரன் அப்படின்னு? நோ, we are using the child. ஒரு பையன் ஒரு பொண்ணு இருந்துச்சுன்னா நம்ம எப்படி யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம்? child அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். ஓகே, more than one boy or more than one girl joining together, we are using the word children. Okay, now your children, did you understand what is the meaning of children? Children means more than one boy or girl, that we use the word for children. Okay, your children, next, see the next slide. Look at the picture. What do you think? What is the place is this? Say the answer. Guess the answer, anybody? Yeah, this is called bridge. This is called bridge. Okay, yeah, children, now I will read the sentence. We saw a school under a bridge. Children were learning from the walls. Okay, read the words once again. Read the sentence once again. We saw a school under a bridge. Children were learning from the walls. Okay, குழந்தைங்க எதுல கத்துக்கறாங்க? Learning from the walls. Okay, the children listen. Next, look at the picture. Okay, yeah, listen. In this picture, how many schools are there? Say, first one, floating school. First one, floating school. Yeah, floating school means what? What is the meaning of floating? Yeah, look at the picture. What do you think? Yeah, in the picture, there is a boat. Okay, boat means what, ma? What is the meaning of boat? Yeah, children, boat means a transport vehicle, okay, of water. A transport vehicle of water. Okay, this is called, we are going to move from one place to another place. Okay, this is called boat. Okay, next. What is the next one school? Platform school. Next, another one school, under the bridge. Okay, yeah, children, next. Look at the next one picture. Read the sentence. We saw that we can study anywhere. Okay, school la irundha mattum dhaan nama padikka mudiyuma? No. Okay, anywhere. நம்ம எங்க இருந்தாலும் என்ன பண்ணலாம்? படிக்கலாம். Okay, yeah, now in this time also. Okay, இப்ப கொரோனா இருக்கறனால நீங்க வீட்ல இருந்தாலும் என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கீங்க? படிச்சிட்டு இருக்கீங்கல, அதே போல. Okay, we saw that we can study anywhere, in a classroom and outside too. Okay, read the sentence once again. First one picture. We saw so many schools. We saw so many schools. Next one picture. We saw that we can study anywhere. Okay, in a classroom and outside too. Okay. Next. Yeah, from the story we will learn some vocabulary words. Okay. Yeah, children, first one, singing. Yeah, children, please repeat after with me these words. Singing. Singing means what? Singing means what? Yeah, children, what is the meaning of singing? Yeah, children, singing means when I say the sentence, rhyming or rhythm. Rhyming or rhythm. Okay, is called singing. Next, boat. Yeah, children, please repeat after with me. Boat. Next vocabulary word is boat. Yeah, children, boat means a transport vehicle in water. Travel to move one place to another place. From one place to another place to travel in the water. This is called boat. Okay, yeah, children, next, outside. What is the next vocabulary word? Outside. Yeah, children, what is the meaning of outside? Not into the inside. Okay, outside means out of the classroom. Out of the classroom or any place. This is called outside. Okay, next, classroom. Yeah, children, classroom. Classroom means what? Classroom. Yeah, children, inside of the classroom, yeah, children are there and a teacher also here. This is called classroom. Next, children. What is the next vocabulary word? Children. Children means more than one boy or girl. All the boys and girls join together. This is called children. Next, bridge. What is the next vocabulary word? Bridge. Yeah, children, what is the meaning of bridge? Say the answer, anybody? Yeah, children, bridge means to cross over the river or road or railway platform. Okay, this is called bridge. Children, once again listen. Bridge means to cross over the river or road or railway platform. Okay, this is called bridge. Okay, yeah, children, in today's class we are going to learn 6 vocabulary words. Once again I will read the words for you. Singing. boat, outside, classroom, children, bridge. Okay. Yeah, students, listen. In today's class, reading and listening comprehension over. Okay. Next, we will start the grammar section. Okay, children. Now, look at the board. Students, now take your Elga worksheet. Okay, your children, take your worksheet, page number 41. Your children, I will give the time for you 5 seconds. Take your worksheet, page number 41. Your children, take your pencil also. Your children, your time start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Your children, get ready with your worksheet. Very good. Awesome. Your children, listen. Make sentences using the following words. Make sentences using the following words. Your children, what is the word is here? Slowly. Read the word once again. Slowly. Your children, now slowly is a adverb. Okay, now slowly is a adverb. Your children, what is now? Anybody say the answer? What is noun? Your children, very good. Noun. Noun means, what is noun? Noun is a naming word. What is noun? Noun is a naming word. Name of the person, place, animals or things. Okay, this is called noun. All the naming words are called noun. Your children, next. What is verb? Verb means what? All the action words are called verb. Okay. What is the meaning of adverb? Adverb means what? Very good. Your children, to describe the verb. Okay. ஒரு action, ஒரு என்னது action word describe பண்ணி சொல்றதா என்னது? Adverb. For example, okay, your children listen. The girl is walk slow. Okay, ஒரு பொண்ணு வந்து என்னது மெதுவா நடந்து போயிட்டு இருக்கு. அப்ப listen, slow. Slow is a walk. Walk is a verb. Okay, அதை describe பண்ணி சொல்றதுனா எப்படி? Slow. Okay, your children listen now. Slowly. Slowly is a adverb. Your children, now I want to make the sentence. Okay, your children, look at the slide. I eat ice cream slowly. Children, take your pencil, write the answer. I eat ice cream slowly. Children, quickly write the answer. I eat ice cream slowly. Next, what is the next adverb? Loudly. Loudly. Yeah, now make the sentence. Sita was shouting loudly. Sita was shouting loudly. Let children quickly write the answer. Okay, next, the another one adverb is fast. I can run fast. I can run fast. Okay, your children, write quickly. Okay, yeah, students, next. See the next slide. Yeah, the same page number 41. Yeah, question number 2. Find naming words, verbs and adverbs in each sentence and write them in the correct column below. Okay, your children, listen. Page number 41. Question number 2. Your children, there are 6 sentences here. Okay, how many sentences here? There are 6 sentences given in your worksheet. Your children, now I will read the sentence one by one. Your children, listen carefully. Now we will find out what are the naming words in the sentence and verb, what are the adverb. Okay, yeah, so children, listen carefully. Now I will read the sentence. Okay, question number 2A. Mohan moves the box slowly. Your children, listen carefully once again. box slowly. Okay, yeah, children, in this sentence, what is the naming word? Very good. Mohan is the naming word. What is the verb? Moves. What is the adverb? Slowly. Okay, in the sentence, Mohan is a naming word, verb is a move, adverb is a slowly. Yeah, children, very good. Next, come to the next sentence. Question number 2b. The baby was crying loudly. The baby was crying loudly. Yeah, children, in the sentence, baby is a naming word. Crying is a verb. Loudly is a adverb. Okay. Next. Next sentence. The dog ran away very fast. The dog ran away very fast. Yeah, children, in this sentence, dog is a naming word. Ran is a verb. Fast is a adverb. Okay. Next. Question number 2d. Riya ate her lunch slowly. Riya ate her lunch slowly. Yeah, children, in this sentence, what is the naming word? Very good. Leah and lunch. Yeah, children, listen carefully. In this sentence, there are two naming words. Okay, yeah, this sentence only having two naming words. What are the two naming words? Riya and lunch. Riya and lunch. Okay, two naming words. Riya and lunch is a naming word. Ate is a verb. Slowly is a adverb. Okay, next sentence. A man can walk fast. A man can walk fast. Yeah, in this sentence, a man is a naming word. Walk is a verb. Fast is a adverb. Next. The frog can hop quickly. The frog can hop quickly. Yeah, children, in this sentence, frog is a naming word. Hop is a verb. Quickly is a adverb. Yeah, children, now I will give the time for you 10 seconds. Quickly, yeah, children, note your answers. Your time start now. Okay, yeah, children. Now, I may count 10. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, children, your time over. Okay. Yeah, students, next. Page number 42. The grammar section, page number 42. Take your worksheet, page number 42. Children, listen. Choose the correct adverb to complete each sentence. Students, now look at the board. Children, listen. Take your worksheet, page number 42. Listen. The boy won the race dash. The boy won the race easily or sadly? The answer is easily. The boy won the race easily. Yeah, children, take your pencil, write the answer on your worksheet. Right, so the boy won the race easily. Okay, next. The next one, picture. Read the sentence. The dog was sitting dash. The dog was sitting dash. Sadly. The dog was sitting sadly. Next. The girl was singing happily or sadly? Yes, happily. The girl was singing happily. Next. I ate the cake quickly or loudly? Yes, quickly. I ate the cake quickly. Okay, yeah, children, write the answer quickly. Take your pencil worksheet. Okay. Next, yes students, page number 43. Next, page number 43. Match the words with the pictures. What is the first one word? Mob. Mob. Yeah children, where is the picture of mob? Match the picture with the word. Take the ruler with your pencil. Match the correct picture with the word. Okay, next. Hot. Where is the cup of coffee is hot? Yeah, very good. Well done. The third one picture. The brown color cup is full of coffee. Hot coffee. Coffee. Okay, next. The next one word. Cot. C-O-T, cot. Cot means what? Kettle. Okay, match the correct picture. Next, jug. Jug. Match the correct picture with the jug. Next, bug. Bug. The second one picture is a bug. Okay, children, please match the words with the correct picture. Okay, next. Vocabulary words. Circle the picture that matches the meaning of the underlined word. Yeah, children, in this picture, I want to underline the word. Okay, meaning of the underlined word. Underline பண்ணிருக்க வேர்டுக்கு நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும்? Meaning கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். Okay. Yeah, children, now I will read the sentence. We saw children dancing and singing there. Children, once again I will read the sentence for you. We saw children dancing and singing there. Yeah, look at the picture carefully. Yeah, in this picture there are two children. Okay, two children. One girl is singing. The another one boy is kick the football. Play with the football. Okay, yeah, singing. In this sentence, singing is the underline. Yeah, which one is the apt picture? Very good. Yeah, girl is singing. Yeah, children, take your pencil, circle the picture of a girl is singing. Okay, next. Question number 2, letter B. We saw children going there in a boat. Yeah, in this picture, there are two types of transport is here. One, water transport, another one is land transport. First one lorry, the another one is boat. Yeah, children, which one is the correct picture for boat? Take the pencil, circle the correct answer. Okay, very good, awesome. Yes, students, next. Take your worksheet, page number 44. Turn the next page, page number 44. Circle the picture that matches the meaning of the underlined word. Okay, next. We saw a school under the bridge. Yeah, children, look at the two pictures. Which one is a bridge? Yeah, very good. The first one picture. The first one picture is a bridge. Circle the picture for first one. Next. In a classroom and outside too. Yeah, the classroom is word is a underline. Yeah, children, look at the picture. Yeah, which one is a classroom situation? First one. The another one is a bazaar or marketing shop. Okay. The classroom apt picture is first one. Okay, there are many chairs, one table and blackboard. Okay, this is apt to the classroom situation. Okay, next. Yeah, in a classroom and outside too. Yeah, children, listen carefully. In this sentence, the word is outside is underlined. Okay, yeah, which one is the outside situation? Yeah, first one is inside of the classroom. Next one, the children are playing outside of the classroom. Okay, so the answer is second one picture, outside. Okay, yeah, children, now I will check your understanding for the phonics section now. Okay. Yes, students, now take your worksheet. Page number 40. Take soon, children. Now take your worksheet, page number 40. Circle the words with the ending sound you hear. Yeah, children, now I will tell a ending sound for you. Okay, now I will read the words for the first one. Question number 1, letter A. Yeah, now I will read the all words. Cub, sun, hot, tub. Okay, yeah, children, now I will tell a ending sound. Yeah, children, listen carefully. Ready? Yeah, okay. B. B. What is the ending sound? B. Okay. Yeah, children, which words are make B sound, ending sound? Circle the correct answer. Yeah, very good. The answer is cup and tub. The answer is cup and tub. Very good. Next, question number 1, letter B. The ending sound is The children find the answer. Yeah, which words make ending sound is Very good. The answer is run and none. Yeah, children, take your pencil, circle the answer. Run and none. Okay, next. Question number 1, letter C. Hut, pot, hop, tap. Okay, yeah, listen. Now I will tell a ending sound. T. T. Yeah, children, listen carefully. T. Yeah, which words have ending sound? T. Yeah, very good. Hut and pot. Hut and pot. Yeah, children, circle the correct answer. Hut and pot. Yeah, very good. Next. Yeah, question number 2. Circle the words with the middle sound you hear. Circle the words with the middle sound you hear. Yeah, children, listen. Letter A. The words are lap, run, map, none. Yeah, children, the middle sound is, listen carefully, What is the middle sound? What is the answer? Yeah, children, find the answer quickly. Very good. Run and none. Run and none. Next, question number 2, letter B. Net, leg, map, pen. Yeah, children, listen. The middle sound is Find the answer quickly. Very good. Net, leg, pen. The answer is net, leg, pen. Okay, next question number 2, letter C. Pop, nap, dot, hot. Yeah, children, listen. The middle sound is Listen carefully. The middle sound is Find the answer quickly. Yeah, very good. The answer is pop, dot, hot. What is the answer? Pop, dot, hot. Okay, very good. Yeah, children, next. Page number 42. Identify the missing sound and write in the blank space. Yeah, children, this is your homework. This is your homework. Okay, yeah, children, do the homework properly. Yeah, children, today's class over. Okay, children, bye. Happy learning. Thank you. Bye, children.